back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car-related content every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is a short snippet of any car encounter I come across, and Sunday is a full-fledged video of a project I'm doing, one of my cars or anything else car-related. Now today we are headed off to a local automotive shop specializing in car cleaning and maintenance products, car accessories, and vinyl and wrapping services for cars. Now what we're all up to is all gonna come up soon, so I'll see you guys there. And we're here finally at Source R Automotive with the R33 GTR. Now what we want to do exactly over here is nothing special, a sun visor over here, nothing that high, something a bit narrow just to block the sunlight and to stay legal, and have some Gran Turismo decals on top just to satisfy my young self, because this is the car I used to play in Gran Turismo back in the day. Another thing I want to ask is, I have this factory protection over here. I want to see if it can be removed and reapplied. I guess Nissan did this so the seatbelt doesn't scratch with the bodywork over there. But this is being 30 years old now and it looks a bit tired. Now, one thing I like about visiting this place is just looking at all the colors I can wrap my car. There is endless possibilities. Now, I'm still not sure what I'm going to be doing, if I'm going to be ceramic coating or wrapping. Still have to decide. Obviously, you can comment below and tell me what you would do if this was your car. But definitely, there's a lot of colors to choose from. Now, if I was wrapping the car, it would be in the Le Mans blue color. This is bright navy blue. Obviously, without saying, is we could consider a midnight purple. I'm thinking this is more close to midnight purple. Black cherry ice. But I also like the Nismo CRS color, which is like a dark gray. That is storm gray. But another color I would consider is the deep marine blue, because that is actually the color I wanted in my i33. It's a stock color. Something similar to this one, space blue. Obviously the colors change depending on the angle. And this is what's best about wrapping. It's not a flat color, there is definition to it. And there's pearl effect as well if we really wanted the pearl effect. So yeah, a lot of colors to choose from, every shade of gray and all that. Blues and all that. I'm really not sure what I should be doing, if it should be wrapping or anything, but we'll see off camera what we'll be doing. Now here's Jason. How are you doing?
I'm alright, thank you.
Can I ask you some questions about wrapping?
Yeah, sure.
So cost about wrapping. I know that to spray a whole car minimum is around 5,000 euros upwards, because I have the Datsun 260Z and I asked around already. How much is to wrap a car, roughly, obviously?
Usually, when you compare it to paint, it's always like, let's say, half the price, usually.
Okay, that's good. So, like, a full wrap will cost half the price, and we won't get the problems of the fish eyes, the overpaint.
No, not really. The only thing, of course, wrapping, you can't polish it like paint. But of course, you need to deep clean the car, like prep the car. It's like you're gonna, let's say, ceramic coat the car, polish the car, clay it, and
that's all included?
Yes, of
wow.
course.
Okay. Another question I have is about caring about the vehicle. Like, do you wash it normally? Do you have to buy special products?
No, actually it's like washing a car like normal, like soap, a wash mitt, a drying towel. You can also use like a spray wax, you can use like a quick detailer, and apart over like when you need to properly clean the car and everything. Then you can also like polish it, you can ceramic coat it, you can wax it. So of course you can even protect the actual wrapping.
Oh, cool. And for us enthusiasts, there's that beading thing. You see the water beads?
Yes.
Does that happen with the...
Yes, you can happen.
Wow.
You can do it. It's like as we're saying, you can like either ceramic coat the actual wrap when it's ready and everything, and you can do like a spray wax, or you can wax it. You can like literally...
So it's like a paint job?
Exactly like a paint, yes.
Wow.
The good thing about it is that, like, for example, if you have like an original paint, you can, like, after you get bored out of it, you can remove it, and the paint is going to be same as it was before actually we wrap it, for example.
Cool. Okay, so that's cool actually. Another thing actually similar to what I wanted to ask is, how long is the lifetime of wrapping, and what about the temperatures in Malta? Is it 40 degrees sometimes Celsius?
Wrapping, it like lifetime always depends how much you take care of the actual wrap. If you really take care of the wrap, like clean it properly and wash it and all that stuff, it can last even like 10 years.
Okay.
For example, we did cars that actually we did them about 12 years ago, and they're still going.
Because you've been in the business since 2010?
No, before that.
Before that.
Actually, this year is the 17th year.
So, okay, you know what you're talking about then when you say
Yes.
it could withstand 10 years. Okay.
Actually, I was even working on cars before that, so I've been working on cars for about 22 years now or so.
Cool. Okay, and one last thing. If I'm buying a brand new car, like, they don't offer the color I want. And what color do you suggest, to buy if that is the fact?
It's either, for example, like a dark color, because of course then, like, for example, like edges and like the seams and all that stuff, behind like packing and everything, it's a dark color. But then of course, if it's like a light color, it always depends which color you want to actually wrap it. The closer to the color, like, the better it will be. But then, for example, if there's like the car you wanted in orange, and there isn't orange, the best to buy a brand new car when you're actually going to wrap it is black.
Yeah, because you got the engine bay, you got
Exactly,
when you
like
open the
engine
door.
bay. Although, like, for example, we have customers that they actually want the door shuts and everything being wrapped, we can also do them as well. So, like, you open the door and you literally see the old color of the car.
Cool. Now, I have some stickers to be done. Here are the designs. Can we do them?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Let's go.
Let's do this. And there we have it. The stickers are ready and it looks amazing. It's complete with some visor and all that. I just like how it came out. Now tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me if I should wrap this car. And if I should wrap it, which color should I go for? There are tons of colors and I'd like to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching. Take care.